shit.
Keep singing. I don't care if you fell. Keep singing.
By the twilight's last gleam.
More singing. That's, yeah, on your head.
And the rocket's red glare does both bursting. I got a headache.
Keep singing. I don't care if you're sitting up. Sing the Star Spangled Banner for me.
Right. Is there an end? Is this therapy for me?
Yeah, it's therapy for me. It's laughter therapy.
Oh, okay, next time you have an anxiety attack, I know what to do.
Yeah. Say hi to all the folks back home.
You did not.
Yes, I did. Say hi.
To who?
Everybody, I'm putting that shit on Facebook.
You are not.
Oh, yes, I am. You watch me.
She made me do this. She made me.
Say hello to your mom. Because I'm so sending this to her.
She doesn't give a fuck. maybe you guys can pretend that you didn't see me.